Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Teamviewer to remote control your PC from mobile. First, go to the teamviewer.com and click on free download, and after that, click on download now and select based on your operating system. Now click on download 64-bit, and after that, continue to install the software. Now on your mobile, install the Teamviewer on your Play Store or App Store, and after installing, this will show. So you need to enter your partner ID. You will be able to see this on your PC's Teamviewer. So you just need to copy your ID to the partner ID. And after that, just press on remote control button. And after that, you just need to put the password from your Teamviewer PC to your mobile. And after that, just click on the OK button. And that's it. That's how to use Teamviewer to remote control your PC from your mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.